Hello guys, welcome back, and today I will be showing you Windows 8. So first I'll just go to the start menu. This is the Metro style start menu. So basically, first let's begin with the lock screen. This lock screen also comes when you go to standby mode. Now basically over here is which network connection you have. Mine is currently connected through Ethernet. So it's going to be showing this sign over here. Excuse me. Over here is the battery. Now I've set this for battery life extender mode. So basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna discharge up to 80% for increasing battery life. So you'll get this free if you buy. You'll get this bundled with if you buy a Samsung laptop. And this it not over here it gives an update of what happened ever since I was gone. And I got 2 new emails, so it's gonna show that. Now for unlocking, you just press and you take it up like that, and then it opens up. I don't have a password right now, so that's why it's not gonna show anything. Over here are this is the the all the installed programs, a few games over here, Samsung apps, and all those things. So basically, now let's open up an application. For example, let's open up this weather application right here. So it's gonna, this is real-time loading, and for scrolling you might want to get used to this, because if you want to scroll towards the right, you have to scroll downwards on your mouse, and if you want to scroll towards the left, you have to scroll upwards with your mouse. And now this thing right here has a scroll bar. So if your mouse is inside this area and you scroll, it won't scroll the bottom scroll bar right here. It'll just scroll this scroll bar. Now see that? And if I come out of that box, there we go. So that's basically it. And in the start menu, these tiles are live. Like they keep updating every few seconds. Now it'll be showing live weather. It'll not be showing like 1 hour before weather. Live weather. Over here also live latest mail from whom I got and the subject. Pretty nice and fluid layout actually. And very the App Store has millions of apps. Maybe not millions, but it has a lot of apps, and it's really good, fluid. Everything, all the apps are quite good. They install really fast. They're not much big, also they're like a max of 12 MB maybe. If it's a very big app, very major app, it's a max of 12 MB. Well, my network connection is slow, I guess. Yeah, never mind. And over here is the Metro style Internet Explorer. It's really good. It feels really good to use it. Now, suppose I go to youtube.com/computing essentials. Press enter. Okay, I don't know, for some reason when I record stuff. Okay, and another nice thing is, suppose you like if you want to access your last used application, you just scroll to the top left corner and you get these. Now if you want to see more applications which you were using previously, you just take your mouse a little down. Yeah, here they come. Now suppose I want to use Internet Explorer and weather both at the same time. So all I do is when I'm over here, I just drag it right here and get it over here. So here we have Internet Explorer also, and over here is the weather app right here. So that's pretty much it on the. Now this feature that I showed you just now is the snap feature. Now if suppose I want to close down this app, weather app, I just hold at the top and then I take it to the bottom and it closes down. I'll just extend this. There we go. Full screen. Now if I want to change the link, if I want to go back, this button is there, and if I want to go front, this button right here. Now basically when you're on a page that has been loaded, this address bar won't be visible, like, okay, yeah, like this full screen web page. Now if I want to change the address, I just right click in a place where there is no link, and I get this. And over here we can open new tabs, of course, and then the speaker and all that. So that's pretty much it on the Internet Explorer. Pretty nice. Now, of course, we have the desktop over here, and guess what? We don't have any start button. How cool is that? Well, not really, but still. Now, basically, there have been some changes in the Explorer also. This ribbon has come, which is actually taken from Microsoft Office, with, not really. Like share, view, and all that are there basically at home. When you're at home, you can just click on document, copy to anything like these options. And one more good thing that I found is we finally have this folder up button. Now, if I go, this is really awesome. Like getting the folder up button is really awesome because it was so annoying in Windows 7 that you didn't have any folder up button. Now it's really fun to use it. And now one more thing is the charms. You just go to the top right or the bottom right corner, and you get these charms. Of course, the start button, and more are there. Like you can do the settings, and each like the settings is in certain apps you might get a different settings page. So that settings page will also have the settings of the app. Like suppose I'm in, let's see, if suppose I'm in the weather app and I want to change some settings, all I do is go to open the charms and settings. So I get these settings which are different from the start menu because it's the settings change according to the app. Now then there is this devices. It shows all the devices I'm connected to, and we have the share option. Now you can share with mail using mail, people, Evernote, but I'm not gonna bother sharing right now. Then you have the search. Now if you are in an app and you just start typing something random, oh, not right now, if you just are in an app and you want to search for something, you just click on search, and you can search for the weather of a city in this weather app. Now, if suppose you had a ton of apps, many, like not just this much, like many apps, millions of apps, maybe not, but if you haven't, you can't, or suppose you cannot find an app, all you do is just start typing the name. For example, I want to search for. Now, of course, we're going to search for the weather app. We have the weather app right here. We're going to search for it, and you find it. Now, this also works with programs like over here. I have Action Wipe. So all I do to search for Action Wipe is I type Action Wipe. Oops. And I get this Action Wipe right here. Though it opens up in the desktop. Now, it depends if the app is compatible with Metro style interface. It will open in Metro, or if it's not compatible in Metro style, it will just open in the desktop. So well, that's it on Windows 8. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'll be uploading other videos and other tutorials and all that later. So stay tuned.